Hello guys, how are you doing? Hey, I'm back. Nimepotea? Mambo imekuwa mingi guys. First of all, I would like to welcome you to this channel. Feel at home guys. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Like, share, comment. And feel at home. We love people here. You are much welcoming. And feel much welcomed at this place, at this channel. It is where you belong guys. Whoa, you guys are good. Thank you for 1.4 subscribers on my channel. You guys, you are doing amazing. I love you. Keep sharing, keep liking, keep commenting. Tuzidi kugrow pamoja watu wangu. Thank you for your views in my content. I don't take it for granted guys. Tuendelee. And for the real life talks, sijaenda bado, nitakuja. Nimekuwa so busy running up and down. Lakini content creation nimekuja kujua sio rahisi guys, but very soon I'll be back with another topic with under that to discuss on it. So keep tuned guys for the video that I promised to drop. It is coming soon as well, so zidini kutegea tu hapo. Meanwhile, keep on watching. Nitieni moyo guys, nipeni views kwa hizo shorts. Mungejua venye si rahisi kuzishoot. Mungeshare, mungewatch, mungelike. Give me your comments guys. Otherwise, I love you. See you.